Welcome to the Photo Tunnel! Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs! Complete the cog wheel to upgrade this engine! A new challenger appears! Thomas versus Diesel! Prepare your engines and get ready for the race! Welcome to the Photo Tunnel! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start! Whoa! Tap on the stun button to perform a trick. Impressive tricks will grant you a short speed.